I'm at 18047 Hoover, Unit 5. Kitchen is in good shape. The walls look clean. Floors are good. This is the unit where the ceiling fell down. The ceiling is up, needs to be sanded and painted. And the rest of the plaster removed. Small trash out. Refrigerator and stove are working. Hardwood floors look good. Bathroom door needs to be replaced. Tub needs to be glazed, caulked. Bedroom floors look good. Walls look good. So just a clean up and door replacement, tub glaze, and other than that, get the ceiling painted. It's number 5, 18047 Hoover.